Eramet is a French mining and metallurgical company. We extract nickel in Indonesia, New Caledonia, manganese in Gabon, mineral sands in Senegal, and lithium in Argentina. We also operate transformation plants in Norway, France, and United States. Building trust starts with getting to know each other through some actual projects, having a transparent dialogue on user experience. So what we like about the RamBase QMS solution is the fact that we can embed videos into the operating procedure. Also the fact that the improvement process is also integrated into the solution, so an operator can propose modifications and this is directly sent to the author and verifiers. The deployment of RamBase is currently focused on defining the common management principles, organizational structures, naming conventions, procedure templates. Of course, it's important to have a controlled rollout of the solution. However, feedback from the field is a key factor for success. The RamBase QMS solution is instrumental in supporting the EPS. It enables the organization to make sure that staff perform their tasks in a secure way and in a safe environment.